Okay, using the array model for division. So, in using the array model, what we're thinking of is that we've got something, an array, that is 13 high. I don't know how many wide. That's what I'm trying to find out. And it's filled with 312 squares. So it's 13 units high. I don't know how wide, but I filled it with 313 squares. I don't want to fill this in by hand. And we're also thinking that this is the same question as 13 times what is 312. So that's the answer we're going to focus on doing this array model for division. We're going to focus on the multiplication part of this. Well, if I'm filling this with 312 squares, I know I could get at least something 10 by 13. That's 130 squares. So I'll take away the 130 that I just put in that position. And let's see, I'll regroup. 3 tens from 11 tens is 8 tens. 100 from 200 is 100. I've got 182 squares left to fill my space with. Well, 10 worked before and that was 130, so I'm going to put another 130 squares here. So 10 by 13 is 130. So another 130 away is 52. So I've now got 260 of my 312 squares are arranged in here, in my mind, in an array that's 13 high and it's now 20 wide. So I've got to figure out, how do I arrange these 52 squares in this last piece? Well, at least 2 is going to work. I'm not very up on my 13s, but 2 times 13 is 26. So subtract 26. And let's see, 6 from 12 is 6. 2 tens from 4 tens is 2. Oh, 26. Okay, now I know what this is. I've got 26 squares left to arrange in this array, so it'll be 2 by 13, which is 26. Subtract 26, and there are no squares left over. So I just found out that if I try and create an array that's 13 by 10, 20, 24, 13 by 24 will give me 312 squares. So that means my quotient, 312 divided by 13, is 24. Hope that makes sense. Thanks.